We live!
Hey everybody, Cartersville Computers Plus, and today is the day. Got our backpacks all loaded up, got pencil bags of all different colors and shapes, sizes. We're ready for you. Come on through, get these kids a backpack.
That's right. Woohoo!
All right, we about ready to open this door?
Yeah, almost. What time is it? I think we got, what, 3 minutes?
No.
Oh, no, it's time.
It is time. It is time.
It is time.
All right, come on in. Go straight around, all the laptops around to the blue line. Is it a doorstop? The window?
Hey, don't we have some? Oh, you got the doorstop. Never mind. Good. All right. Oh. Now it is. See, I got that fancy stuff.
I love it.
Good morning.
All right.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Remember me?
Yes, I do.
Did you have a chance to look? I got one.
He's the manager, so he was thinking more than likely.
1, 2, 3.
Just get one.
All right, grab that.
Can't miss the opportunity.
What color pencil bag you want, buddy?
Oh.
Get your bag.
Oh, okay.
Grab a fold.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
There you go.
Get your folder and you're good. So first put your pencil and stand right there, Mason.
Oh, wow. Really? Wow.
You can't get one, baby. You ain't in school yet.
There you go. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dan. Come on. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mike, right. Yeah. What's this? Get back that. If you're ever people call your pencil pouch.
See right over here? Boom. Go done. Get your pencil bag already? There you go.
I'm gonna get me that one, and I'm gonna get you that
Yeah, because it's recorded. All right, y'all.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome. I lost my paper. Go. What color you want, buddy? Get it. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Eventually I'll figure out what I'm doing there. Thanks, y'all. Go. Oh, nice! That's awesome. Woodland, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it right over there. There you go. Thank you for running these youngins around.
This is my mom.
Dana, I think.
Hey.
I work at Waffle House.
Thanks, y'all.
Come here, Dad. Did you get yours? You got your pencil? Now, did you pick out what kind of
Oh, it's over there.
Up here. You got which one you want? You got which one you want? Oh, that's on my brain. Come here, Daddy. Look like a butterfly.
Tag.
I was going to get there. Walk around.
All right. Go get the camera and walk around.
I am.
Open it up.
Try, baby.
Woohoo! Let's see. Uh-oh. I got a duck. You know what? Yeah. The food drive? Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Y'all have fun at school.
Wee. Don't mind me. I'm just wandering around. Don't pay any attention to the man behind the curtain.
We've gone through about 35 so far.
Woohoo! Wee. Step outside, get a little fresh air. Oh. Wee.
We try to have it organized to where it goes quick.
Ooh, you can now add up to 3 guests. Woohoo!
Dropping them all morning.
That's new.
Thanks, y'all.
That's new. Woohoo!
Took no time.
We still.
Organization.
Yep.
All right.
There we go.
So that's
We
about-
still got
that's about
backpacks.
40 backpacks.
Whoa, hey,
40
somebody's
backpacks
peeling
so
out.
far. That means
40?
we still have 60 backpacks
60?
ready to
What?
give out. All right.
What?
Honestly, hoping for a little
No.
bit more to go out. 8 minutes.
All right, there we go.
Oh,
All right.
All right. So what? Where are we?
We reconnected. So I don't know.
Throw them in your little thing. They got the backpacks.
There we go.
Yeah.
Say hi to Facebook.
Blocking signals.
Because it's an Android, I'm
All right, so we just gave out about 40 backpacks. That means we still have 60 backpacks to go. That's a lot of pencil pouches. All right. I do not want to be stuck.
Okay, we're back.
All right. So tell everybody, we got them here. We're ready. We're loaded.
Mm-hmm.
Come get them.
We got 60 more.
We would much rather them be in the hands of these kids than in my storage unit in the back room. All right?
0.
Call us if you have any questions or concerns. Phone number here is 678-385-4515. We are located at 900 North Tennessee Street, Cartersville, Georgia.
Of course.
Come on.
Wee.